Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to renew Las Vegas City business license. This is the fee schedule. In order to renew your Las Vegas City business license, you need to know your gross revenue for the last 6 months. If your last 6 months gross revenue is under $30,000, your license fee will be $55. If your last 6 months gross revenue is between $30,001 to $180,000, your license fee will be $100, and $200, $300, etc. Once you figured out your last 6 months gross revenue, then you should go to lasvegasnevada.gov/paylicense. Hit the enter. Business license quick pay page will show up. In this section, you need to put your license number in it, which starts with the alphabet G. Type in your business license number in here, then click the continue. Now it says you must report your revenue to generate new license fee. Click below to report revenue. So make sure your license number, next renewal date, business name, and address, they are all correct. Then click the report revenue. Now type in your 6 months gross revenue amount in here. Then click continue. Please verify the information and click submit. So you verify this information. If they are correct, click submit. Check the total balance due. If the amount is correct, then click pay. They accept Visa, Master, and Discovery. So type in your information and click the pay button. Once you click the pay button, the confirmation page will be followed. They also gonna send you a payment confirmation email to you. This is it. It's pretty easy, isn't it? If I can do it, you can do it. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.